this before I shuffle this one. It really got my attention here. So we have here the Nine of Coins energy, and there's this Three of Wands energy. So I do get that this energies right here is belong with this kind of energy wherein you feel abundant, you feel less stress, and you're looking forward with the future, leaving the past behind you. So this could be your energy right here, honey. Okay? But you can switch roles if you want. Okay, so that's it. Actually, naging mahirap, no, with the strength card right here, yung mga pinagdaanan mo. Pero tapos na. It's like, nakaahon ka na, no? Nakaalis ka na. Very good. We have here the Chariot card. Nakaalis ka na dun, no? Kaya nakalook forward ka na sa future mo, no? Yung iba nagsisimula na talaga, matagal na nakapagsimula rito sa future. No? You're hearing that song. You know that song. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Yeah. So, there could be some kind of a toxic energy right here. Or let's just, yeah, we're hearing that song. Let's just say obsessed. Okay? And maybe this person is claiming that you are the one who is toxic. You are the one who is toxic? Let's see. Kasi parang may nangyayari in the background that you do not know. Okay? Or maybe wala masyadong clear about that thing. Pero kasi wala ka nang pakialam. Si bumalik na naman. Three of Wands energy. Okay? Don't you know that you're toxic? Pero with that word addicted, it could be a lot of attraction, diba? This person is still addicted with you, but this person is claiming that you're toxic. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Oh, Empress energy. Okay. It's like there's a situation right here. Ano ba to? Parang ba-explain yun? Yung parang ramdam mo na yun yung nangyayari kahit wala kang nare-receive na proof or evidence about that thing. Okay? If you know what I mean. So, there is something here that you probably feel or your intuition is telling you that it's happening even though you're not seeing it. So, it's some kind of a situation. So, let's keep moving. Oh! See? Devil, right off the bat. Okay. Bato-bato sa langit. Tamaan, huwag magalit. Yan. Song from Bamboo. Narinig natin sa mga waves. Oh, yun lang. Yun lang yung ano dun. Yung problema dun. Okay. So, yun nga, no? Hey there mga may loves, collective. Thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. And hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome kayo dito sa community namin and hope that you're gonna stay here with us. So before we dive deeper into this reading, reminders that this is not for everybody. And if you feel the vibe and the connection that this reading is for you, then this reading might really for you. And of course, we do not have any gender and wala tayong timeline dito kasi this is general reading. So, this could be somewhat nangyari na for others, nangyayari pa lamang ngayon for others, and for others naman is isang prediction sa kanilang hinaharap. So, you might want to hear this out. Okay? So nakikita ko dito, you are the Empress, honey. So, wow, the Empress, you are abundant right here. Feeling abundant, no? O ramdam mo na gumagaling ka na. Because Empress is someone here who is starting his or her life. The energy of someone na nagsisimula ng mabuhay ulit, ma-excite ulit, after sa isang lagapak or masakit na mga experiences sa mga nakaraan. Tapos ka na ron, no? Dumaan ka na ron, mga mahal, no? At ito ka na bumabangon ka ulit, no? At nakikita ko ritong maganda ang mga dumadating sa buhay mo at paparating sa buhay mo, no? Mga healing connections, mga growth and opportunities, doorway to success right here ang dumadating sa buhay mo. This is the attractor of the positive things that you want to manifest here in your life. So this is you in this type of energy. You could be attracting here the desires of your heart, kung ano man yan, no, anything that you want. Okay, may kinalaman man sa money, dream house, dream car, dream career right here, dream business, whatever it is. Like everything here is happening in alignment or in favor of what you want to happen in your life, no? Tapos ka na, dumaan ka na sa mga unos, sa mga bagyo, no? At sa hagupit talaga, no? Ng pait at sakit na kahapon. You're all done with that, and this is you standing firm right here and staying grounded, yan, no? This is you pursuing here your goals and dreams in life, no? And nakikita ko rito na hindi mo rito kailangan ng ibang masasandalan. Like you can move forward with your life on your own. It's like this is you. Nakita mo, natagpuan mo yung sarili mo dahil sa mga mabibigat at mga masasakit na nangyari sa life mo. And please do all know that the Empress is someone who is abundant, honey, and intuitive. At ayun, bumagsak yung cellphone ko. Okay, because I'm about to tell you this energy connecting na with you guys, yan, no? Kasi this is an energy of someone here who is agitated, no? Alam mo yung parang irate customer na pag tumatawag, kunyari, example, mga babes, no? Isa kang call center agent, no? Tapos naka-experience ka ng isang customer na galit siya, irate, no? Sobrang G, no? Ganon, no? Because someone here is galit na galit right here, diba? Nakita niyo naman gulo-gulo na yung mesa natin. So, ayusin natin, mga mahal. This is the energy of someone here na galit. Yun yung nakikita ko rito, mga babes, no? At ang hindi ko gusto sa energy niya rito, mga mahal, no? Nakikita ko dito na lumalabas siya bilang devil, and there's this Ace of Swords in reverse. So, nagpapakalat ito ng mga maling balita or maling mga kwento sa'yo. Yan, mga mahal, no? Yung nakikita ko rito. Ito yun yung nararamdaman mo, no? That with this Eight of Wands energy, you feel that there's something happening right here. You do not need some kind of a proof or evidence for you to be able to confirm this feeling, or your intuition is telling you about this thing, no? Hinahayaan mo lang with this Four of Swords energy, like, okay, parang may nangyayaring kakaiba ngayon. Parang feeling ko may something na nangyayaring off sa paligid, pero kibar lang, diretso lang ako rito. Yan, no? Kasi nga, meron talaga ritong nangyayari in the background, mga mahal, no? Yan, ramdam mo rin, no? There is someone here. Kaya mo ramdam ba kasi lumalabas siya rito bilang devil energy. There is someone here, no, na super obsessively attached pa rin sa inyo, spiritually and energetically. So, this is someone here na nagpapakalat ng mga baling balita sa'yo, no, with the Hierophant in reverse right here, Six of Coins, Nine of Wands, Death in reverse, Eight of Swords energy, Eight of Cups. This is the energy of your ex right here, no, na hindi naka-move on from you, guys. And this person could have involved you into a third-party situation right here, but doesn't mean na third party na someone else lang. It could be anything, no. Kaya lang kasi parang ang syonget, no, ng pagkaka-ending ninyong dalawa. Parang hindi fair and square yung ending ninyo. That's what I'm getting from here. But just take how this resonates because it's just general reading. But this person is nagpapakalat, no, ng maling balita about you. And the maling balita has something to do with this person here, this toxic energy here, na nararamdaman mo kahit hindi mo alam literally kung ano nangyayari. Kasi dumitouch ka na eh. Dumitouch ka na sa kanya, empress ka na rito at naka-upright position ka na rito. So, ibig sabihin, wala ka na pakialam, ano man yung nararamdaman mo rito na bad feeling or whatever, no? Kasi yun nga, kumukonik pa rin sa'yo to, no? Person na to. Kasi this person here is, alam mo yung lumalapit siya sa ibang tao. Pwedeng yung mga common na kakilala ninyo before. So, pwedeng common friends, common individual, common co-worker kung magkatrabaho kayo, common friend that you both know, or someone that you both know. This person is asking them, humihingi siya ng advice na parang, pre, ano bang gagawin ko? Kasi naghahabol sa akin si collective eh. Ha? Nag-aabol yung mga Junakis ko sa iyo? Di nga. The Empress is right here. Hindi ito naghahabol. This is someone na hinahabol. So, ibig sabihin, siya talaga yung naghahabol sa inyong mga mahal, no? Pero hirap niyang aminin ito sa iba, especially sa mga parehas ninyong kakilala. See, this person is ganyan. See? Nine of Swords in upright position, ganyan siya na mong problema, kaya to the point na humingi na siya rito, no, ng advice sa mga friends niya rito, no, na I think kilala mo rin yung mga yon. Okay, so whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. This person is nagpapakalat ng maling truth, yan, no, maling truth, so fake news or whatever, no, parang, pre, ano bang gagawin ko? Kasi kinukulit ako ni Collective, gusto niya makipagbalikan sa akin, gusto niya ibalik yung dati naming samahan dito, yung ganyan, no? Hindi niya daw matanggap yung ending naming dalawa, gusto niya magkaroon sa amin na second chance. Kaso pagod na ako, ayoko na talagang bumalik sa kanya. Gumaganyan siya, mga mahal, na yung sasabi niya rito, no? And with the 8 of Cups in reverse, siya naman talaga yung gustong bumalik dito. Ay go. O momo, yan, no? Siya dapat yung magsabi rito ng utok eh. So, diba? So, whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this person here is actually, siya yung nandoon sa sitwasyon na yun, not you, honey, because you are appearing here as the Empress. You look so beautiful, and the Empress knows exactly what he or she wants in his or her life. And who are those people na gusto niyang patuloyin sa buhay niya? And that is you, Collective. But this person over here is connecting with you toxically, no, sa inyong energy rito, no, siya yung totoong hindi maka-move on, hindi makapag-accept death to this 8 of Swords energy. That is in reverse right here, hindi niya matanggap, no, na wala na kayo rito, no, at nakikita niya rito kung gaano ka rito gumaganda, nag-glow up, gumagwapo, umaasenso, no, kaya hindi niya mga babes matanggap yun. So, but, you know what, siya yung gusto ritong bumalik sa feeling ninyo. It's just that, no, this person is parang gusto niya lang siguro pala kasi yung loob niya, no, kaya niya ginagawa yun, no, bakit pa, 'di ba, parang bakit pa ako maghahabol dito kay Collective, at bakit pa ako mag-aaksaya ng oras para humingi ng advice ko rito sa mga friends ko na to, ang gusto niya talagang marinig has something to do with siya yung pa-victim dito. Parang ganun dating dito eh. Parang siya yung pa-victim dito, no? Siya yung parang nasaktan, ganyan, no? So, hindi ko alam, baka kasi nag-create rin ito ng maling kwento nung maghihiwalay na kayo dati. So, whatever the case may be, this person is actually the one na napapagod dito, okay? Na paano maghanap ng paraan para makabalik sa buhay mo. Pero hindi na yun ganun kadali dahil Empress na kayo. You are someone here na sobrang taas na ng wall, no, na nagawa mo for yourself, especially with this person. And this person is actually the one na gusto ritong ibalik yung inyong marriage, yung commitment ninyo, kung wala man ditong kasal, yung partnership ninyo, gusto niyang ibalik yun rito. Yan, no? Pero nananatiling hindi solido para sa akin ang intention niya. Kasi nakikita ko lang dito, mga babes, no, is dahil successful ka, kaya niya gustong bumalik sa buhay mo, no. Pero tingnan mo naman tong damuhong, hindi kayang aminin sa mga tao sa paligid niya, no, na ako kasi yung mali nun dati, pre, o kaya sis, ako kasi yung nagkamali dati, o kaya sis, kasi kasalanan ko, kasi nagloko ako, nagsinungaling ako. Yun talaga yung tunay na kwento. Hindi lang talaga nagsalita si Collective kasi ganito, ganyan, no? Hindi niya yun kayang sabihin. See? Sinasabi niya pa rito na kayo yung naghahabol, ikaw raw yung gusto rito makipagbalikan sa kanya, hindi niya daw alam yung gagawin niya kasi ayaw niya na daw sa'yo, gusto mo raw makipag-reconcile sa kanya, yun nga lang, di niya alam kung ano yung gagawin niya rito. Nasa crossroad siya dito eh. 'Di ba? Hindi niya kayang sabihin na, "Pre, ano bang gagawin ko? Kasi ako talaga yung gusto kong bumalik kay Collective. Kasalanan ko ang lahat ng 'to." Period. 'Di ba? Hindi niya yun kayang gawin, my love. Kasi isa pa rin siya ritong utak talangka, no? Ganun pa rin siya rito, mga mahal, no? Siya pa rin yung klase rito ng tao na manghihilap pababa. And I think that was what happened in the past. So whatever it is, I don't see that this person here is coming in a right way or in a right manner right here, and especially no sa right mindset, no, napakasabog niya rito, no, to the point na kasi successful ka, no, parang gusto niya rito ganito kasi yung mga common friends ninyo, not totally naman talaga na dumisconnect na rin kayo sa mga yon. Pwedeng hindi yun ang kinakausap, pero pwedeng friends nyo pa rin yun sa FB. Syempre, hindi naman yun involved or wala namang kinalaman yung mga yan, diba? Mga connected family members, mga friends, especially kung madami, no? So, nakita ko rito na pwedeng alam ng mga taong ito na eto ka na, my love, no? Empress ka na. Eto ka na, success ka na, no? Meron ka na dito may pagmamalaki at may pagmamayabang. At ang maganda, no, may healing dito, kaya mo nang tumayo sa sarili mong mga feet, diba? So, whatever the case may be, yun nga yung niyayabang niya rito. Na parang gusto niya ritong palabasin na yung successful na yan na si Collective, ako pa rin yung kailangan yan. Okay? Yan si Collective, needy pa rin yan sa akin. Gusto niya makipagbalikan sa akin. Hindi ko nga alam pre kung bakit eh. Ay, alika kutusan kita dito. Ang jups ng peslak, no? So, whatever the case may be, ganun nga yan. Okay? So, yeah. You're feeling this person so intensely because this person is actually talking about you negatively. This person is actually making kalat right here a fake news na naghahabol ka at gusto mong makipagbalikan sa kanya. But, ang kabaliktaran ay siya yun. Yeah. Okay? So, whoa. Parang papunta na sa pagkabaliw tong ex nyo rito, no? Gumagawa na siya ng kwento. So, whatever the case may be, just drop it, baby. So, let's keep moving. Mag-forward lang kayo sa life right here, no? Because this person, the more na mag-forward kayo sa life, no? The more na lumalayo kayo lalo sa kanya, the more na napuputol dito ang pise, the more na magiging ganyan siya, no? Ka-eager at needy sa'yo. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sana ngayon, love and light. You're doing the right thing, honey. Okay? You're doing the right thing. Okay? So, thank you so much. Love and light. Annyeong.